In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Monday.com. If you're looking to gather insights or feedback, crafting a well-structured survey is a great way to start. Let's walk through the steps to get your survey set up efficiently on this platform. To begin, we're going to make use of a convenient feature that Monday.com offers: templates. These are pre-arranged layouts that can help you get started quickly without having to build everything from scratch. First, you'll want to hover over the Board menu in your Monday.com account. As you do so, you'll see a variety of options. What we're interested in for this task is the Start with Template choice. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up the Template Center, which is a library filled with various templates designed to meet a range of needs. Since our focus today is on surveys, type Survey into the search bar provided in the Template Center. This will filter out the non-relevant templates and show you options that are specifically tailored for survey creation. When you find the survey template, click on it to get a closer look at what it offers. Once you've reviewed it and think it's a fit for your needs, simply click on Use Template. At this point, the template will be ready for you to use, already integrated into your dashboard and set up to start editing. Now comes the customization part. This is where your creativity and understanding of what you want to learn from your survey participants will shine. You'll be able to edit and design the form to align with your specific objectives. While I'm not going to dive into the nitty-gritty details of form editing in this video, Monday.com provides a user-friendly interface where you can add questions, change formats, and modify the aesthetics to suit your project. As you're editing, keep in mind the importance of clarity and simplicity. Your respondents will appreciate straightforward questions that are easy to understand and answer. A few tips while you're designing: try to anticipate the type of data you need and craft your questions accordingly. Open-ended questions are great for detailed responses, but remember to balance them with closed-ended questions for easier analysis. Consider using logic if your survey requires different paths based on previous answers. Don't forget to take advantage of the customization options in Monday.com to align the survey with your brand identity, especially if that's crucial to your project. And there you have it, a streamlined way to create a survey using Monday.com. By leveraging their template system, you can quickly get your survey up and running, allowing you to focus on collecting and analyzing your data. Happy surveying!